Hi guys, welcome to Wright Warriors. So here today I'll be telling the overview of this Wright mic. So I tested it for about 2 days or so. So overall impressions I'll be telling you about this. So firstly, the first impression, the overall build quality is, you can say, okay. I don't like this holder because it's all plastic. Especially the best thing of this holder, it's elastic from here, which keeps the mic from rotating from here to there. The wire quality is overall also good, but the thing I don't like about the wire is this fitting. It is very hard to fit. Even when I was fitting, I thought it would break. I would just break this, and it just tilted here and there. I don't know for what reason or so. So overall review, it's not a good mic for the buck. So I just spent about $30 or so, but I didn't got a good mic. I could have got a better mic from this. So for you guys who are looking for this mic, don't go for it. It's not worth, especially the noise cancellation is not very good. You have to boost sound. I've boosted my sound up to 100%. Then also I was not getting the satisfied amount of volume or recording I wanted to get. I kept about a mic, I think a meter away, a meter or half meter away, but the voice was very low. I tried everything. I tried updating my drivers, everything. I compared it by my Sony earphones also. Those were much better. This is not, so telling you again, these are not the best recording microphones or recording you can get. Go for something else. I would be going for something else and telling you guys. So from my opinion, don't buy this. It's just a show off. It's a fake mic. It's a Chinese mic. Don't go for it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.